Do you guys want to make money? Well, I'm going to show you how. And it's not through any other type of scam or, Shopify, dropshipping, all this other stuff. It's simple. How other people make money is how you end up making money. As I'm a firm believer that this is by far the best coffee mug in the world. We're going to talk about how we can make more money using a specific landing page. And so I'm looking at a landing page now from a very, very famous marketer and business owner. His name's Sabri Suby. He owns the selllikeCrazy.co, KingKong.co website, and he's a funnel master. Next to Russell Brunson, who owns Clickfunnles, he's on the top. If not Russell Brunson, I would say Sabri Suby is next to that or on par. And so I'm going to break down how people make landing pages really, really high converting, and so how you can utilize this landing page to your best ability and become a basic master at what you're doing. And what I mean by this is like, whether you're working on a small $10 product that you're selling on Shopify, whether you're working on a course, or whether you're working on a simple free checklist or free tool that you want to offer as a lead magnet to somebody, this is going to be the best thing for you in building out your business and allowing you to get conversions online and sales online without spending more money than you need to. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is KingKong.co. And I just talked to one of the copywriters there about how they put things together. And so, big thing, right? All funnels need is, it's a Sabri Suby thing. You aim for consumption. So you want to write your entire copy and plan based on, how does this person convince me, or how are you convincing that person who's on the other side of the screen to consume your content, right? And so it speaks a lot to headlines, it speaks a lot to benefit, it speaks a lot to understanding what your ideal customer profile is and what that person's gonna think and hear in their mind when they read your copy. It's even more advanced than some people who do sales, because you don't get to speak to that person, right? It's completely cold traffic from the start. And so in this funnel, it says, it's about damn time you showed up, right? Right above this, it has 3 reviews, which are like, these guys know their SHIT. Highly recommend. We had a 250% increase in leads. And then it has a direct call. It also has a sub headline, right? And then a slanted video. I'm going to play the video, and then it expands and it goes straight into this really, really cool directed video on what you'll be getting in the funnel and what you should, be expecting, right? And so that's like a really cool intro. If you go past there, it goes into a slide bar, a rotating bar of reviews, and then it goes into straight copy here. And what I want to highlight is, if anything, if you're working on a funnel, what you want to do is aim for consumption. You also want to have lines of copy in which everything is about a benefit and it's positioned in a way where you can read it easily. So as you can see here, it's like there's not a lot of design, right, other than the top. What this tells you is the most important design is going to be on the top above the fold. Okay, phone number if I want to call that person. It's about damn time you showed up. Okay, what did I show up for? These guys know their SHIT. Highly recommend. We had 250 increase in leads, right? And so I have a little bit more social proof. I click the video, maybe I don't. If I scroll past there, I see some, oh wow, these guys are first fastest growing digital agency, at this publication, etc. And then I scroll down, looks like you're reading or stalking or maybe a little bit of both. The copy, right? It already says so much by doing so little, right? And I think that's what I want you guys to understand about your copy. The copy is everything when it comes to a funnel. This is the best coffee in the world, or this is the best air conditioner in the world, this is the best whatever in the world. It's, why is this the best air conditioner in the world? Or does your air conditioner have XYZ solution? Or state the problem, right? The problem could be the solution, right? And so if you're hot during summer, right, like it is in Japan, what is the benefit of having an AC, right, or air conditioner, right? So you have to be strategic in your copy to where it's saying, it's hot as heck, right? ... Do you want to sweat like crazy or relax during the summer, right? And so it agitates that problem, and then you give a solution to that problem. And you just do that over and over again. So I would say a quick breakdown of this, right, is it goes more into copy and less about design. And what that tells you is focus mainly on, if you want to make sales, focus mainly on large designs that explain headlines that you're talking about within your funnel or your landing page. And that landing page has to be full of copy that follows each of these headings and these titles that allow you, that explain basically what that benefit and solution is. And so every time there's a problem that you have in your mind that is associated with the solution being the product, right? So if coffee keeps you up at night, like it's keeping me up right now during work hours, then it should solve that problem as well. And okay, it provides this type of health benefit. Coffee has, you have to list out 20 to 30 different benefits of your specific product and how they solve a specific problem, and then make that the whole world of your web landing page. If you do that, and you add these call to action buttons here, you will never fail. And so I would start by doing a funnel exactly like this. It's highly converting. It doesn't take a lot of time because you have huge buttons, right? And then copy, design, copy, design, copy, design. And then the most design and thing that you have to work on is when somebody lands to the page, how do you keep them consuming, right? And so "It's about damn time you showed up" is not a headline that says anything about the product. It only asks you for more. And when you scroll down and you play the video, it gives you a bit more information. But if you, assuming people just scroll through it, then you see validation, Shark Tank, all these other publications. And then you see award. It says, howdy, it looks like you're reading, or stalking, maybe a bit of both, right? It's really subtle, and right, like how this copy is exactly how you should form yours. It's like you have to assume that somebody's going to consume this, right? If you run ads, if you're running cold traffic, because if they don't, they're not going to convert, right? And so if you build a landing page as if they're going to consume it, you have to make sure that you work your way down into the problem, the solution, the problem and the solution. And really, the more times that they eat up different versions of your problem and solution, the better chance you have of selling the product. And so I'll let you guys visit this more. But in a quick nutshell, that's all you need to do to convert high for whether you're selling a product or a service or both. I hope that was enough information for you guys to gather from the King Kong, Sabri Suby, sell like crazy type of funnel. And I'm happy to share more information with you guys if you want to go more in depth. At the time that I'm recording this video, I have another meeting to get to. So unfortunately, there's more for next time, and I appreciate you guys watching this video on whatever day and platform you guys are watching it on. See you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe, comment, and let me know if you guys have any questions on marketing, how to build a business online, or just if you have a question. Thanks. Peace.